In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up call extensions in Google Ads. If you're looking to enhance the relevance and reach of your advertisements, incorporating call extensions can be an excellent strategy. They allow potential customers to contact you directly by phone, which can greatly improve your conversion rate. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Google Ads dashboard by signing into your account. From the overview page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's been a while since your last visit. This step is crucial as we will be navigating through a couple of sections quickly. Once you've settled on the overview page, your next step is to locate and click on the Assets section. This is where you can manage all sorts of ad extensions, among other valuable advertising tools. It's an essential part of Google Ads that helps you customize and enhance your ads. Moving forward, within the Assets section, you will see an option labeled Call. Click on that. The call option is specifically designed to manage phone number extensions easily. It shows you any previously created call extensions, and this is where we'll be adding a new one today. Next, you will see a plus icon, which is usually located prominently on the screen. Click on the plus icon. It signifies that you're about to add a new entry, in this case a new call extension. Clicking it brings up a form where you can enter necessary details. Here, you need to input the phone number you want to associate with the call extension. Ensure that this is a number where you or your business can be reliably reached, since it creates a direct line to your potential customers. Double check that it's correct, because any errors might result in missed opportunities for valuable customer interactions. After inputting the phone number, there's a save button typically located at the bottom of the form. Click on Save to confirm and apply the new call extension to your ads. Saving finalizes the process, committing the changes you've made. This step ensures that your ads now include the call feature, making it easier for customers to contact you. And there you have it, you've now successfully added a call extension to your Google Ads campaign. This small but significant change can lead to noticeable improvements in connecting with your audience. Always remember, in digital marketing, every interaction counts. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to reach out with any questions or comments, and stay tuned for more how-to guides on optimizing your digital advertising strategies.